how to find highest value in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to find the highest value in your Excel dataset in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First, open up your Excel, and today I'm going to work in this specific data. And now, for example, if you want to find the highest value from cell 1, then you have to go to the specific cell where you want the data to appear, and then up there in home, you have a sum icon. Press on where I'm pressing, and then tap on the drop down. And there you'll find max option. Go ahead and click on it, and it will ask you to choose the data range. So I'll tap this and tap on enter, and there you go. Now I can just drag it, and then all the highest value of sales in every column has appeared here. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.